Good evening. I'm Chanel, vehicle title expert and owner of Wisdom and Authority Title Solutions. Thank you so much for tuning in and thank you so much for subscribing. Tonight, I will be continuing with the series Power of Attorneys or POAs and Auto Titles. Tonight's segment will be about the three types of POAs and their purposes. I want to share, I have to remind you guys from time to time that this channel is only for auto title and registration matters. So for tonight, when it comes to POAs, I will not be talking about or elaborating on financial matters, real estate, the courts, or any medical related purposes as it pertains to power of attorney. I will only highlight vehicle related matters during this segment or series. So with that being said, the three power of attorneys or three types of power of attorneys I will talk about tonight is going to be the general POA, the specific POA, and a secured POA. And I will talk about the purpose of each one. With that being said, this here is an example of a North Carolina general power of attorney. Now, this power of attorney here that I have is 8 pages long, but I want you to see if you can zoom in on the types of issues that will be highlighted during this power of attorney for anyone that want to use it. You got assets, retirement plans and other matters, which I'm not going to cover, but this is what the general POA sometimes highlight. Now, general power of attorneys, they may or they may not address vehicle related matters. Again, they may not. If you have a general power of attorney and it does not highlight the vehicle information in mind, or it doesn't give the vehicle specifics, you may want to have your attorney to modify that power of attorney so that it can highlight the vehicle or vehicles that you want to give the power of attorney over. Okay. And if not, I don't recommend that you use the general power of attorney because, again, it's really not that specific. I mean, it covers several areas, but you really want to be as specific as possible when it comes to the designation of your power of attorney. So I don't recommend the general pertaining to vehicle POAs anyway. And the reason why is because if you don't specify a particular vehicle or vehicles, the person that you're giving POA to, if they have a general power of attorney, they can use that power of attorney to conduct business regarding any and all vehicles that you own. And the outcome could be unfavorable for you. So I recommend that you use a specific power of attorney, which I'm going to show here. In this example, this is a specific power of attorney, and this is for specific related power of attorney matters from the Virginia DMV. This is the form VSA 70, and it gives reference to only one vehicle. You don't have to use this form if you're in Virginia, but this is an example. You can talk to your attorney regarding the specific POA. They can draft one up for you, and they can give reference to the particular vehicle that you want, or all of the vehicles that you want to have addressed pertaining to your power of attorney needs. So when it comes to being specific as possible, the specific POA will be your answer. So keep that in mind. The last power of attorney is going to be the secure power of attorney. The secure power of attorney. This form comes from auto dealerships, and it serves as three purposes. It highlights the consent or the acknowledgement of the odometer reading. This section here in the middle that I have highlighted in yellow, the odometer reading will be here. So all parties are aware of that. It also acts as a way to allow the dealership to get a replacement title on your behalf. And also, in the event the dealer needs to sign on your behalf as well, they can do that, of course, too. So those are the purposes for the secure POA. So when it comes time for you to use power of attorney for your auto title processing, you want to be mindful of the type of situation you're in, which will help you to determine the power of attorney that you're going to be using. If you are involved with a power of attorney situation and you need rectified, or you're confused, or even if you made mistakes pertaining to a power of attorney matter, please visit me and my team at wisdomandauthority.com or drop me a line below. I will review your situation and we'll get back to you with some sort of recourse that can help you with your power of attorney needs. Please check me out on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Please click, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in. I look forward to hearing from you soon.